10 brain-boosting drinks you need to know about. Enhancing brain power is crucial for maintaining focus and alertness in your daily life. Fortunately, a variety of healthy drinks are available to provide the boost your brain needs to function optimally. If you're seeking increased mental clarity and heightened focus, this video presents a range of excellent options. Join us as we delve into the world of amazing brain-boosting drinks, offering insights into their benefits and how they can positively impact your cognitive abilities. Discover the perfect beverage to elevate your brain power and unlock your full mental potential. 1. Blueberry juice. Not only is blueberry juice incredibly delicious, but it also offers numerous health benefits. Rich in vitamin C and magnesium, it plays a vital role in maintaining healthy bones and teeth. Consuming blueberry juice can contribute to enhanced brain power, thanks to the presence of anthocyanins in blueberries. Studies have shown that these compounds can improve cognitive function. Furthermore, other compounds found in blueberries have demonstrated the ability to protect against memory loss, Alzheimer's disease, dementia, and other neurological issues. The abundance of antioxidants in blueberry juice also provides protection against free radicals and inflammation in the body. These antioxidants have additional benefits, including the potential to lower blood pressure and cholesterol levels. By choosing blueberry juice, you're opting for a natural and delicious way to boost overall health and well-being. 2. Orange juice. In addition to its high vitamin C content, orange juice provides a range of nutrients that can benefit your brain. Oranges are a great source of folate, potassium, and fiber. These nutrients play a crucial role in promoting healthy blood flow to the brain and reducing the risk of developing Alzheimer's disease. When you consume orange juice, the vitamin C it contains swiftly travels through your body, supporting a healthy immune system and aiding in the production of hormones that regulate blood pressure. Vitamin C is also essential for supporting neurotransmitters in the brain, which play a role in regulating mood, memory, and sleep cycles. Another important nutrient found in oranges is folate, which contributes to healthy brain function. Folate helps convert homocysteine into amino acids that are beneficial for the body's metabolic functions. Elevated homocysteine levels are often observed in individuals with cardiovascular disease or those who suffer from depression. By incorporating orange juice into your diet, you can enjoy the benefits of these nutrients for optimal brain health and overall well-being. 3. Turmeric ginger tea. Turmeric, an ancient spice with a history of medicinal use spanning thousands of years, has recently caught the attention of modern science due to its remarkable health benefits, particularly for the brain. Curcumin, a compound found in turmeric, has exhibited neuroprotective effects in animal studies. One study revealed that curcumin could safeguard against Alzheimer's disease by reducing oxidative damage and inflammation in the brain. When combined with ginger root, turmeric becomes even more potent. Ginger root has long been utilized in traditional Chinese medicine as a digestive aid and for its anti-nausea properties. Additionally, it is known to help regulate blood sugar levels and enhance circulation throughout the body. Fresh or dried ginger root can be easily obtained from most grocery stores or Asian markets. By combining turmeric and ginger, you can create a delightful tea that can be enjoyed throughout the day. This invigorating beverage, known for its spiciness, is simple to prepare and provides an energy boost, enhancing focus and promoting mental clarity. Sip on this flavorful tea and experience the benefits it brings to your overall well-being. 4. Cloves tea. Cloves tea offers an excellent way to enhance brain power, with numerous health benefits available in both hot and cold preparations. For centuries, cloves have been celebrated as both a spice and a remedy for promoting focus and preventing illnesses. The use of cloves can be traced back to ancient Egypt, where they were utilized as an embalming agent. Over time, it has been discovered that cloves contain essential oils that benefit the heart and circulatory system, while also exhibiting effectiveness in treating toothaches and other dental issues. With their antiseptic properties, the essential oils found in cloves aid in fighting infections and relieving pain. Moreover, cloves have shown efficacy in addressing respiratory problems such as bronchitis or asthma. Clove tea contains eugenol, the compound responsible for its distinct taste and aroma. Eugenol contributes to the potent antibacterial properties of cloves, making them highly effective in combating infections without any adverse effects on the body. Discover the remarkable advantages of cloves tea and experience its invigorating effects on your overall well-being. 5. Coffee. Coffee holds the title of being the world's most popular beverage, enjoyed throughout the day, with many individuals preferring a morning cup to kickstart their day. Beyond its widespread appeal, coffee boasts numerous benefits, including enhanced memory, concentration, and athletic performance. Rich in polyphenol antioxidants, coffee is also believed to possess cancer-preventive properties. The caffeine present in coffee stimulates the production of adrenaline and dopamine, neurotransmitters that contribute to mood improvement and motivation. Additionally, caffeine increases blood flow to the brain, potentially enhancing mental performance by heightening alertness and concentration. In fact, a study conducted in 2018 revealed that consuming 3 cups of black coffee daily led to notable improvements in brain function and cognitive abilities among the elderly. Discover the remarkable advantages of coffee and savor its invigorating effects on your overall well-being. 6. Smoothies. Smoothies offer a convenient and efficient way to ensure you receive your necessary daily nutrients while also aiding in achieving your calorie intake goals, which can support weight loss efforts. With their simple preparation and portability, smoothies can be easily enjoyed on the go, making them a hassle-free addition to your routine, especially if you have a blender readily available. By incorporating more fruits and vegetables into your diet through smoothies, you effortlessly enhance your brain power. These vibrant concoctions supply vital nutrients such as vitamins A and C, folate, and omega-3 fatty acids, all of which are crucial for optimal brain health. By reducing inflammation within the body, these nutrients also contribute to the prevention of diseases like cancer and heart disease, which can potentially impact brain function in the future. The fiber content in smoothies provides a lasting feeling of fullness, curbing the need for frequent snacking. This aspect proves particularly beneficial if you often find yourself reaching for late-night snacks or disrupting sleep patterns, as these habits can contribute to weight gain when practiced excessively. Unlock the potential of smoothies as a versatile and nutritious addition to your diet, supporting both your physical and cognitive well-being. 7. Green tea. For centuries, green tea has been revered for its medicinal properties, and it continues to hold immense value today. Packed with bioactive compounds known as flavonoids, green tea possesses its characteristic color and taste. Among its beneficial components is the amino acid L-theanine, which has demonstrated the ability to enhance memory and attention spans, particularly in young adults. Furthermore, green tea contains caffeine and catechins, compounds that contribute to its potential protective effects against heart disease, stroke, and certain types of cancer. A study conducted in 2012 discovered that green tea can play a role in safeguarding the brain from oxidative stress induced by free radicals. These unstable molecules have the potential to harm cells throughout the body, including those within the brain. Green tea exhibits antioxidant properties that appear to counteract and prevent such damage. Harness the power of green tea as a source of natural compounds that promote overall well-being, cognitive function, and protection against oxidative stress. 8. Beetroot juice. Boosting brain power and enhancing overall health can be achieved through the consumption of beetroot juice. The brain, being an energy-demanding organ, requires proper nourishment to function optimally. Beetroot juice serves as a powerhouse of nitrates, which aid in lowering blood pressure and improving circulation, thereby bolstering brain power. Additionally, beetroot juice is rich in folate, a crucial nutrient for the production of red blood cells and the synthesis of DNA and RNA. This promotes the maintenance of healthy neurons, vital for normal brain function. Moreover, betaine found in beetroot juice assists in regulating homocysteine levels in the body. High levels of homocysteine can potentially harm nerve tissue. Furthermore, beetroot contains nitrates that convert into nitric oxide within the body. Nitric oxide enhances blood flow, facilitating improved delivery of oxygen and nutrients to the cells, thus maximizing the brain's potential. It also plays a role in reducing stress levels by increasing the production of serotonin, a hormone known for its positive influence on mood regulation, ensuring a cheerful and positive outlook throughout the day. Embrace the benefits of beetroot juice to nourish your brain and promote overall well-being. 9. Herbal tea. Herbal tea, a medicinal beverage derived from dried or fresh leaves, petals, seeds, or roots of plants, offers a soothing experience while providing potential health benefits. It serves as a delightful infusion of flavors and may contain herbs renowned for their therapeutic properties. Throughout history, various cultures have harnessed the power of herbal teas as remedies for common ailments like colds or headaches. Herbal teas, such as chamomile or lemon balm, have a rich medicinal heritage. Besides their calming effects, herbal teas can enhance brain function by promoting relaxation and effective stress management. Research has revealed that certain herbs' aromatic oils have the potential to improve attention span and memory, contributing to enhanced cognitive performance. Treat yourself to a comforting cup of herbal tea, savor its soothing qualities, and enjoy the potential cognitive benefits it offers. 10. Kombucha. Kombucha, a centuries-old fermented tea, has gained tremendous popularity in the health and wellness community due to its numerous benefits. This invigorating beverage has captured the attention of many as they explore its potential advantages. One of the reasons kombucha is believed to enhance brain power is its rich content of B vitamins, including folic acid, vitamin B12, B3, and B5. These essential nutrients play a vital role in supporting the growth and function of brain cells. By aiding in the conversion of food into energy, they contribute to clear thinking and sustained focus throughout the day. Moreover, kombucha is a natural source of probiotics, beneficial bacteria that promote a healthy digestive system and strengthen the immune system. These probiotics aid in digestion, enhance nutrient absorption, regulate cholesterol levels, and reduce inflammation, thereby supporting overall well-being. Experience the revitalizing effects of kombucha and discover the potential benefits it offers for brain health and beyond. While many of these beverages make claims about boosting brain function, it's important to note that they don't promise to make you instantly smarter or enhance your memory capacity. However, we believe it's more beneficial to approach brain-boosting drinks with optimism rather than dismissing them altogether. It's worth trying various options to see which drink provides the greatest mental boost for you. Keep in mind that the effects of these drinks can vary from person to person due to individual body chemistry. So, embrace an open-minded approach, experiment with different drinks, and discover the ones that work best for you in achieving optimal mental performance. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell, so you don't miss any new videos. Let us know your thoughts about this video in the comments section down below, and feel free to stay safe and enjoy. Also make sure to check out our next highlighted video, and we will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.